How many malicious servers can you use?
So this actually goes on to the details of distributed hash tables, which I'm not focusing on right now, because this is something this is the next step, once we said, okay, conceptually we can look at distributed hash tables as being one of the ways of being able to detect duplicates. There are other ways too that we are seeing, which can be actually practical in our approach. But these are interesting points of, how many can go down before the system goes down. But it is really implementation details which we are looking into.
About going down.
It could be malicious, it could be sending messages of different kinds. Yeah.
So I want to ask a small question. So you are assuming you are providing a privacy solution to the problem, right?
Right.
Is it a solution to the privacy problem? So in this system, can I find how many credit cards do you have?
If you have the same identity provider,
Yeah.
and you've registered all of them in the same place,
Yeah.
then if you can get the information from the identity provider, then you can potentially use it. That is assuming that the identity provider can release that information to you.
Yeah, but if you think about it, every time I try to register or I query the system to see if whatever I'm trying to register is already in the system or no, right?
Then that comes into whether we get like whose credit card number is it, and we add randomization, so that you really have to guess a lot to be able to guess if this number exists in the system. The randomization really does help, and it opens up some really interesting challenges.
Yeah.
Okay, we have 2 seconds remaining. No. Just concluding that this actually has, as the discussion showed, that there are very interesting problems. We have been working on this for about a year, and we have some preliminary results, and looking into it deeper would open up different, more interesting issues. And like the main idea that we really focused on till now is the multi-factor authentication. We are also looking into how biometrics can be incorporated in this, and really how we can develop authentication policies to be able to have a nice system where you can actually guarantee something about the user, keeping the usability aspects. Okay? So, questions? This is an actual quote from the movie, if you saw it.
Now that between me and we
But those are very valid points, and this is what we are working on.